Hello children, welcome back to my class. I am now doing 9th class maths statistics, and in this statistics we are dealing with measures of central tendency. There are three measures of central tendencies which you are going to learn: mean, median, mode. So today we are learning mean. Mean is also called as arithmetic mean. So for this arithmetic mean, what is you have got raw data. I have already explained you children about raw data and grouped data. So now when raw data is given, how to find out arithmetic mean? That means suppose you have got 2, 8, 9, 10, 1, 7. You have got suppose numbers like this. Its mean, if you want to find out, the formula of mean is sum of observations divided by number of observations. This is the formula children. Sum of observations. What all observations that are given you have to add. 2 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 1 plus 7 divided by how many other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how much you are getting? This is 10, 10, 20, 30, 37. 37 by 6. That is 6 6 are 36. 1 you will be getting. So point 6 1 are 6. 4 means 6 6 are 36. It goes on like this. So 6.16 is the mean for it. This is called finding out of arithmetic mean for raw data. Usually mean is symbolized as x bar. This is the symbol of mean. This is a small example children that I have given. I am going to deal with the problems that are there here. Sum of observations by number of observations can also be written as sigma xi by n, where sigma xi is considered as sum of observations, n is considered as number of observations. Just note it down as an introduction children. Now let us see what all the sums that are there regarding this topic in your textbook. Mean of raw data, example 4 is there. So we will see example 4. Rainfall of a place. Rainfall of a place. It goes on like this. Let me read that. Rainfall of a place in a week is 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 12 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 0.5 centimeters. Find the average of rainfall per day. What is this average, children? Average is nothing but mean. So we need to find out the mean of this. So what is mean? Mean in the sense what? They have asked average. Average is nothing but mean. Mean is equal to sigma xi by ny, I said. So what is sigma xi? What are the values that they have given? 4 plus 5 plus 12 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 0.5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I have written all the numbers divided by 7. So let us add it. This is 9, 19, 21, 21, 3, 24, 30, 38.5. You are getting its value as 38.5 by 7. That is 7 5s are 35. Again 3 7 5s are 35. So 5.5 is the mean. This is the answer. The question is, what is the average rainfall? Therefore, average rainfall is equal to 5.5 centimeters. So I can write this. Let me write this as the answer instead of this. 5.5 we got. So this is the answer of this example, children. Please note it down. This is example 4. Now let us see the next example. Example 5. If mean of if the mean of 10, 12, 18, 13, P and 17 is 15, find P. This is the question. So what is mean? Mean x dash is equal to sigma xi by n. That means here mean they have even given here. 15 is the mean they said. So in the place of mean I am writing 15 is equal to 10 plus 12 plus 18 plus 13 plus P plus 17 divided by how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have got 6 values. So what are we getting? This is nothing but 15 is equal to, let us add 22, 32, 40, 53, 53, 63, 70. 70 plus P you will be getting by 6. That means 70 plus P is equal to 15 into 6. When this 6 goes there, that means 70 plus P is equal to how much? 90. 15 6 are 90. So what is P? P is 90 minus 70. That is 20. Therefore, P is equal to 20 is the answer, children. This is how you can find out value of P by using this formula. Please note it down. This is example 5. Now let us see the next part of this. This is mean of ungrouped frequency distribution. Mean of ungrouped frequency distribution. What is this, children? Ungrouped frequency distribution means if it is a grouped frequency distribution, you will be having class intervals and frequency. Of course, we have discussed in the previous class about tally marks, but when we are coming to this ahead of the problems about mean, median, mode and all, the tally marks will not be there because you use tally marks only when you need to prepare a frequency distribution table. Now you have understood very well that how a table is made. So the tally marks will not come into consideration now at all. Now what you have to do, they will give you class intervals, frequency and you have to continue your sum. But when class intervals and frequency is there, then we call it as grouped frequency distribution table. But only some values and frequency is there, that is called ungrouped frequency distribution table. So now we are going to talk about how mean has to be determined by using ungrouped frequency distribution table. So let us see, you have got a value given to you, weights in kgs. Weights in kg they have given. This is considered as x, and frequency, that is number of students. This is nothing but frequency f. So what are the values they have given? Let me see. This is 30 means you have got to 5. Please observe the textbook also, children. They have given like this as a x values like this, f values like this, but I made them to write in this way because our problem should be done in this way only. So I am not writing the problem as such. So please open the textbook, then you will understand this sum. 30 and 5, and for 32 kgs weight 9 students are having. 33 kgs of weight 15 students are having. 35 kgs of weight 6 students are having. 37 kgs of weight 3 students are having. 41 kgs 2 students are having. Now we need to find out the mean. So this is ungrouped data. So mean for ungrouped data, mean is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma f. This is the formula. What is sigma f? Sigma f will give you the total number. N value we said no in the raw data that n is nothing but sigma f. It is nothing but n, children, capital N. Or even in your book it is given as small n. I prefer to take it as capital N. That gives you the total of the numbers. So first you add all this. How much you are getting? 5, 11, 16, 16, 5, 21, 30. 40 students. So the question also might have given that, okay, in this they have 40 students. Find the average mean weight of 40 students, they said. See, average means first frequency you have to add. Next step is FIXI. FIXI means you have to multiply this. 30 into 5. How much? 150. 32 into 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27, 1, 28. Next, 33 into 15. 15 threes are 45. Again, 15 threes are 45 for 49. 35 6 are 6 5s are 30. 6 threes are 18, 21. Next, 37 into 3. 3. This 3 is as a carryover I have written, children. This is not 32. 37 into 3. 3 sevens are 21. 3 threes are 9, 11. And 2 into 41. 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. So this is about the product of FIXI. Now what you need to do? You have to add all this. How much are you getting? 8 to 10, 15, 16. 10, 20, 28, 33. 3, 4, 6, 10, 12, 13. So how much are you getting? It is 1336 FIXI. So mean you are finding out by adding sigma FIXI. Sigma means the sum of. So we have taken FIXI and we have added. We are getting it as 1336 by sum of the numbers we have done, that is 40. So how much we can cancel it by 2. 2 2s are 0. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 8 are 60. Again, 2 10s are 2 3s are 2 3s are 2 4s are. That means we can write 3 3 4. 10 is there. 33.4. You can get it as the answer, children. Therefore, the question is what? Find average weight of 40 students. So, average weight of 40 students is equal to 33.4. This is the answer. This is for 33.4 kgs. This is the answer, children. I hope I am clear, children. This is ungrouped frequency distribution table. It is for weights they have given, that is x value, and number of students, frequency, and you need to find out this. This will not be given to you. This you have to find out how, by multiplying these two. Fi xi, actually I means what you should know. I means concerned class interval, actually that you will understand when a group data is there. I deals with a meaning of I is class interval, that particular class interval. Fi means it is a value of the frequency of a particular class interval. So this 5 is for this only. 5 cannot be for anything. 9 is for 32 only. 15 is for 33 only. 6 is for 35 only. 3 is for 37 only. 2 is for 41 only. That will indicate by xi, fi and xi. Even in grouped data, that is frequency of concerned class, and xi is called mid value. We are going to discuss about it afterwards. So as far as ungrouped data is concerned, because this is the first time you are going through it, please understand carefully, children. They are giving x values and they have given frequency values. So with this x and frequency, how to find out mean? Mean formula is sigma fi xi by sigma f. Sigma f means sum of all frequencies. So when you add, you will be getting 40. Check with your textbook also whether the sum what you have done is correct or not, or if they have not given, you add once again and see whether your addition is correct or not. Then you multiply concerned values and you write. Afterwards, you have to add all this. That is called sigma fi xi. I can write it here. Sigma fi xi value is this. Sigma fi value is this. So that these values you are taking and you are dividing to get the answer. I hope I am clear, children. Please note it down. Now, let us go to the next part of your textbook. Example 6 you have got. Find the mean of the following data. Find the mean of the following data. So what data they have given, I am not writing, children. Directly I am putting it in the solution way. X they have given, F they have given. What are the values of X? You have got 5. For 5, F value is 3. For 10, F value is 10. For 15, F value is 25. For 20, F value is 7. For 25, F value is 5. So as I said earlier, what you need to do, you have to first find out what is sigma Fi. This is Fi, this is Xi you can take. So what is it? Add all this. 7 plus 3, 10, 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 2, 2 to 4, 1, 5. So sigma F is nothing but how much you are getting? 50 you are getting. Next what you have to do? You have to multiply these two. Fi usually we will write it as Fi. So let me write it as like that. Fi into Xi. 5 3s are 15, 10 10s are 100, 15 5s are 75, 15 2s are 30, 7 37, and 27s are 140, 25 5s are 5 5s are 25, 5 125 you are getting. So let us add all this. 5 5 10 5 15, and then 4 6 7 14 15, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. 755. What is this value, children? Sigma Fi Xi value is this. Now you have to find out mean. Mean is equal to sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi. So what is sigma Fi Xi? 755 by sigma Fi is 50. So 5 tens are 5 ones are 5 fives are 5 ones are 151 by 10 can be written as 15.1. So the question is mean. Therefore, directly we can write mean is equal to 15.1. This is the answer, children. This is how we need to find out mean for ungrouped data. Please note it down. Now, let us see the next problem. If the mean of the following data, example 7, if the mean of the following data is 7.5, then find A. So let us see what is given to you. Marks they have given. Marks should be considered as xi value. Marks are xi values. And then number of students. Number of students. This can be taken as Fi. So what is given to you? If marks are 5, number of students 3. 3 students got 5 marks. 6 marks are obtained by 10 students. 7 marks are obtained by 17 students. 8 marks are obtained by 8 students. They have not given the number. 9 marks are obtained by 8 students. 10 marks are obtained by 4 students. Now you need to find out mean. See, children, formula is same, but because of this A, little bit your procedure changes. Here they have given mean 7.5. So let us first add this. This is 7 plus 3, 10, 18, 22, 2, 2, 3, 4. So 42 plus A you will be getting sigma Fi Xi value. Are you understanding? Why? Because this A is there, you can't add. They have not given any value for A. So we will be taking it as it is. And now let us do the next part, Fi Xi. These two we have to multiply. 5 threes are 15, 10 6 are 60, 17 sevens are 1, 9, 8 into A. You will be getting it as 8A. And 9 8s are 72. 10 4s are 40. So you have got these values. Now you have to add all this. So when you are adding, don't take this 8A, children, because by mistake you may take this 8. Don't take. Leave it like this. Without 8A, let us add the other things. That is 9, 10, 11, 11, 5, 16. 7 for 11, 12, 13, 19, 20. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 not 6 plus 8A you have to write. Please remember this. Don't add this 8 along with these numbers, because 8A is a different value. You will be getting this value only when you multiply it with A. You don't know what is A. So you will have to write it as plus 80A. So this value is sigma fi xi value is this. Now we know that mean is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Mean they have already given how much? 7.5 is equal to, this is 306 plus 80A by sigma fi is 42 plus A. So when you are doing cross multiplication, 7.5 into 42 plus A is equal to 306 plus 8A. So 7.5 into 42. You have to multiply 7.5 into 42. 2 5s are 10, 14 1, 15, and 4 5s are 20, 28, 30. So how much are you getting? 0, 5, 1, 3. 315 you are getting its value. So 315 plus 7.5A is equal to 306 plus 8A. So 315 minus 306 is equal to 8A minus 7.5A. So from 315 let us subtract 306. So how much are you getting? This is 9. Only 9 you are getting it here. So let us take 9 is equal to 0.5A. 7.8 minus 7.5 is 0.5. So what is A? 9 by 0.5. So you can write it as 90 by 5 by removing this. 5 ones are 5, 5 8s are 40. So what is A value? A is equal to 18 is the answer, children. So please note it down. All these calculations are necessary. I hope I am clear with you. Mean of ungrouped data you can do in this way. Okay, please note it down. Now you have got another one, mean of ungrouped distribution. Mean of ungrouped frequency distribution. Frequency distribution by deviation method. Deviation method. This is a new method, children. Deviation method. Deviation method, whatever we have done till now, by taking ungrouped data, how to find out mean, that method is called direct method or simple method, where you are taking xi values, you are taking fi values, fi into xi, sigma fi xi, sigma fi, and mean is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. This you have done. This is a direct method. In case if the values are very high, and how you need to find out the mean means, you have got another simplest method, that is called as deviation method. So for the deviation method also, you are going to take as an example, example 8 that is given to you. Example 8, you have got xi values and fi values. What are they? You have got 10 and 4, 12 and 5, 14 and 8, 16 and 10, 18 and 7, 20 and 4, 22 and 2. This is given to you. So you are going to talk about mean by deviation method. So direct method means what you will do as a simple method which I said earlier, you will just multiply it and you will find out sum of fi divided by sum of fi we will be doing. But here also we need to find out sigma fi. So let us take what is sigma fi, that is how much you are getting 11, 11, 10, 21, 21, 9, 30, that is 4. 40 you are getting. Sum is 40. Now we are going to talk about deviation. What is this deviation for concerned class intervals? This we are going to use it for grouped data also. What is deviation means? You have to take one assumed mean. What did I say? Assumed mean. Assumed mean means it is not actually the mean children, but we are assuming that somewhere the mean is there. Usually we will be taking the assumed mean by observing frequencies. Where is the highest frequency? For that, what is the mid value? That is xi value. That we will be considering is an assumed mean. So this is considered as assumed mean. You call it as capital A or small a. This is called assumed mean, children. How will you find out assumed mean? By taking the frequency and the highest value of frequency. For that, what is there? Because most of the numbers are getting this value. See, 4 numbers have got 10, 5 have got 12, 8 have got 14, 10 have got 16, 7 have got 18, 4 have got 20, 2 have got 22. So out of all this, 10 members have got 16 value. So we are considering 16 as the assumed mean. We are assuming this is mean. So deviation is nothing but xi minus a. You are going to take xi value and you are subtracting it. So here xi is 10. 10 minus 16 is minus 6. Don't worry, you have to take negative values. You will be definitely getting in this way. 12 minus 16, that is minus 4. Be careful, children. 16 is bigger value, so 16 minus 10 I will do means that gives you wrong answer. You have to use the proper formula. Xi minus a means which is smaller, which is greater number, forget about it. Integers addition it is. When you are adding, whatever is the sign of the bigger one, that we will be taking in integers addition. In the same way, we need to take it. So xi minus a, whatever is xi value, that you have to take and subtract 6, assumed mean. So sometimes you will get negative value, sometimes you will get positive value. According to the problem, you have to accept whatever value that you have got. So 12 you have done. 14 minus 16 minus 2 you will be getting. Okay. Then here 16 minus 16, how much, children? 0. So I will be writing 0 here. Then 18 minus 16 is 2. 20 minus 16 is 4. 22 minus 16, how much you will be getting? 6. So this is di, deviation value. The next step is fi di. You have to multiply these two. 4 6 are 24, but minus sign is there, minus 24. Minus 20, 4 5 are 20, minus 16, 2 8 are 16. And with 0, you will be getting 0. 7 2s are 14, 4 4s are 16, 2 6 are 12. Now you need to find out sigma fi di value. So children, while adding, actually you are having certain negative values, certain positive values. So when you have got like this, your addition will be simplified. How? First you add all negative values and write it here, its sum. How much is it? 6, 4, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 60 you are getting here. And if you add all positive values, how much you are getting? 12 here and 42. Plus 42 you are getting it here. That means what? Minus 60 plus 42. You need to do it. So how much you are getting? 8 and 1. Minus 18. So sigma Fi you have got as minus 18. Okay, now we need to find out what is the value of mean. The mean value, mean, that is x dash, is equal to assumed mean plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi. This is the formula, children. What is assumed mean? We have got here. We have written here. Assumed mean is 16. So you will be writing 16 plus sigma Fi di is minus 18 by, what is this value? 40. So 2 9s are 2 20s are. Okay, you cannot do it further. So you are getting 16 minus 9 by 20. So when you divide this 20, 9, when you go with 20 point, you keep point here 0, then 24s are 80, 0, 1 and 0, 25s are 100. Okay, so 0.45, 16 plus here minus and minus 0.45. So from 16, if you subtract 0.45, that means here 0, 0, here 5 you will be getting, and here 9 minus 4, 5, here 5, 1, 15.55. 15.55 is the mean for this problem, children. I hope I am clear to you. Write down this. This is example 8. Now I am concluding my topic today, children. In the next class, actually you are having in your textbook mean, median, mode. Together they have given. But if we do like that, you may get confused. Till you are perfect with mean, we don't go to median. So my way of teaching is, as we have done mean now, mean we have done for raw data, mean we have done for ungrouped data, mean that is direct method. We have also done mean of ungrouped data by deviation method. So by using these methods in your next exercise, some problems are there. So I want to teach you first those problems. After completing that, we will go to median and then mode. So I am concluding my topic today, children. Remaining I will do it in the next class.